Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the first lesson of the geography, India size and location. To know the location of any country on the globe, we have many imaginary lines on the earth with the help of which we find out that where we all are located, where any country is located. For that, line of latitudes and line of longitudes are drawn on the earth. Both line of latitude and line of longitude are imaginary lines with the help of which we find out where any place on the earth is located. On earth, many places are there, but how much north or south they are, we don't know about that. For that, we have divided the earth. The line which divides the earth into two equal parts, the upper part from the 0 degree, it is in the middle of the earth. The middle latitude, the biggest latitude is 0 degree. It is known as equator. And many parallel lines are there above the 0 degree. It is northern hemisphere. And below the 0 degree, below the equator, beneath the equator, it is southern hemisphere. It is southern hemisphere. In this way, we can find out on earth we are in northern hemisphere or in southern hemisphere, and at what degree the country is there on earth, in northern hemisphere and in southern hemisphere. With the help of latitudes, we find out that the area on the earth is available in northern hemisphere or it is in southern hemisphere. But we don't know how much east we are or how much west we are. For that, we have imaginary line, and it is known as line of longitude. With the help of line of longitude, we find out that how much east or west the area is located. The Greenwich meridian, the middle which passes from North Pole to South Pole, and it is located in London, and it is known as Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian divides the earth into eastern hemisphere. These all areas are in eastern hemisphere, and the area behind the Greenwich meridian, it is in western hemisphere. In this way, we locate the area or any place on the earth with the help of line of latitude and line of longitude. With the help of longitude, we find out that area is in eastern hemisphere or in western hemisphere, and with the help of line of latitude, we find out the area on the earth is in northern hemisphere or in southern hemisphere, and the line of latitude and line of longitude, they intersect each other on right angle. The line of latitude and line of longitude, they intersect each other at right angle, which is known as a grid. And with the help of this grid, we find out the location of any country or any place on the earth. Now we are going to discuss about the location of our country India, where it is located, its latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent. At first, I am going to draw the map of our country India, then I will explain you how much east, how much west our country is there, and how much in the southern hemisphere, and how much it is in northern hemisphere. I am going to explain you. Now we are going to discuss about India's location, its latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent. India entirely located in northern hemisphere, above the equator. Above the equator, it is 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north. It is its latitudinal extent, and its longitudinal extent, it is 68 degree 7 minute in Arunachal, in Gujarat. Its longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute. It is here in Gujarat, and in east it is 97 degree 25 minute in Arunachal Pradesh. About 30 degree difference is there from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. That is why the difference is there in sun rising, and the Indian Standard Time is taken 82 degree 30 minute. The longitude at 82 degree 30, which passes through Mirzapur. It is taken as in the standard meridian of our country. This is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. India's length from west to east, it is 2,933 kilometer, and its length from north to south, it is 33,214 kilometer. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere and also in eastern hemisphere. Now we are going to study about India's size. India's size is, the land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million kilometer square, and India's total area account for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India has land boundary about 15,200 kilometer, and its coastal line boundary, including the Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Dweep, it is about 7,516.6 kilometer, and India is seventh largest country of the world. 7 countries are there which are larger than our country India, and they are known as, for understanding or for keeping in our mind, we have an idea: RCUC by B, A and I. For R from Russia, and C for it is Canada. First C is for Canada, and then U for United States of America, United States of America, then B for Brazil, then Australia, and again here C is given, here C for China, then comes Brazil, and then Australia, then 7th number is India. Russia, then Canada, then United States of America, then China, after that Brazil, then Australia, and after Australia India's number comes. India is the 7th largest country of the world. In this way, we come to know about the size of our country, and I had already told you about standard meridian of our country. It is 82 degree 30 minutes, which passes through the Mirzapur. It is taken at the standard time of our country.